Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error when you're installing the latest version of Windows 11. This usually comes up, Windows 11 installation has failed. So in order to fix this, just click OK and reboot your PC and again open your in Windows 11 installation setup. Once you're on the setup, just click next, and once you're on the setup selection option, just click on this little button, previous version of setup. Just once you click on this will go ahead and bypass this screen, and then you have to click on I don't have a product key. Now just select the edition you want to install, click next, make the partition or whatever, and just click next and then install. And from here you'll see Windows 11 latest version would be installed, and it won't affect or won't give you any error. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.